Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we have with us Tomica Premium Toyota Supra, and this is the one diecast car I was following along and wanted to have in my collection, but I was not able to find this one. So recently I went to a hobby store and there I found this. I got this for around 1200 rupees. So that's a good deal, I think so. Not sure what you guys think, just let me know in the comments. This is a 1 by 62 scale, and it comes with the opening door and the iconic popping headlights. So because of this only I bought this specifically. This is a direct import, so it is costlier in price actually. Let's take a look at the box actually first. Actually, if you look at the box, the image on the box is fabulous. It replicates the actual car, and all the details that mentioned over here are too good. If you see the back from here and some information about the opening parts, and that's all they have. And this is a official Toyota license product. So let's open it and see how it is from inside first. Yeah. Just carefully open this part. Don't want to damage it. Here we have let's keep it aside. And the first impressions are, this is a fabulous glossy black color that is given to the car, and it is truly awesome. When we see it in a hand, it's like perfect weight for a car, and the color is also awesome. I don't see any irregularities over here. If you see, it's very clear, crisp. Panel and the glasses also actually don't have any scratches on it, and it looks perfect to me. Actually, I don't know how to describe it in words, but this is just awesome. Here it is, the button to pop up the headlights. We will see in some time. After some time we will see how it works, but I just want you to guys just look at the details that they have provided in this car. It's like a miniature replica as it is of the car. There is no doubt this is like very precious and very popular in collectors. Even if you see the tires, they are like they are very detailed. The silver color of the rims and all. Because of the popping headlights and the openable door only, uh, it adds more value to it. Let's start with the front now. I'll show you guys this. Let me zoom a little bit so if you can see, there is a logo on it for Toyota. Grille is awesome. There is a number plate over here, and the headlights is like that. The lines and all, they are like awesome over here. Pretty good. Let's see the popping headlights now. I'll just focus on it. If you are able to see, there is a button over here. If you just move it ahead, the headlight gets popped. If you want to hold it here, you can just click it, so they will not move outwards. But if you want to keep them loose, then you can just loose them. There is a trigger point over there, so you can just tick it over there, and yeah, you can play with it. If you want to just make them on the upward side only, just have to just select this one, and that's it. They will be staying there on self. They look too good. This like an iconic popping headlights. And if you are wondering like if this button will come in between the tires and all, but let me tell you guys, it won't. I'll just show you. If I just put it down, it won't. As you can see, they are just they are on only. They are like upwards only, so it won't affect it. Let's close this first again, and yeah, I'll show you how it works. Yeah, you can play with it all day. Now let's talk about the side view of this car. You can see a gray line that is going from the back to the side, and all this is in inline. You see from the front, then all over to this side, and then back. This all are in one line, so the lines of this car are pretty good. They are accurate in just place. So the details over it are just gorgeous, you can say. That's one word I'm getting in my mind. That's all. Let's talk about the interior now. We have openable doors from both the sides, and you can hear the sound. The clicking sounds like very satisfying. Good quality doors. Tomica doesn't disappoint in terms of doors. They are just accurate, they are clickable, and they just roll in smoothly. See, you don't have to give pressure a lot or anything, but if you want to open them, you have to create a little bit force. So that's what I like about this Tomica openable doors. I have one more openable doors from Tomica, which is the Toyota Crown Taxi, and this is the same doors they have. They are just phenomenal over it. Let's talk about the interior a little bit. So the interior details are also very good. You can see the steering, the seats, and the dashboard, and all of those things are like pretty good. They comes in a white gray color, and this much details to a miniature car, it's like awesome. If you see the interior back, we have some dots over here, and this much detailing is also like you can't expect this in such a small car, but they have given it, so hats off to them. I just like the doors, man. I'll just open it once again. We'll pop up the headlights and we'll see the look, how it goes. Yeah, you can see how it looks. It's fabulous. Let me tell you guys, I didn't explain that clearly. I think for the pop-up headlights there are 3 modes in it. If you just click it, it goes freely over here, you can use freely. Then the next mode is you can just attach it over here and they will be popped up. Okay, and if you just lose it, and then to attach at the back, they're still at loose position, so you have to press a bit back, so they are now attached. Like that you have to use this one, the popping headlights. Let's talk about the back now, And as you can see, the tail lights are very good. They are plastic inserts and we have silver linings over them, and you can see a lot of details over here. If you are able to see, there's like in between the tail lamps there is also one detail over here, the square headlights. So this also looks good. Talking about the back, we have the exhaust also with the silver lining and it's very detailed. The chassis, we'll get into it afterwards, the bottom, but the exhaust is pretty good. If you see from it backwards, it looks awesome. I don't know, I'm in just love with this Toyota Supra, guys. There is a logo over here, but it's engraved, it's not visible truly. Let's talk about the bottom now. We have like very much detailed bottom also. Chassis is very good, so you can see the engravings and all. It's like very detailed. It's 2021, size is 1/62. Toyota Supra, made in Vietnam. That's it. The Supra word in bold letters. It is what it is, guys. It justifies the model, why it is a Toyota Supra. And it's not in toy condition, it's like a replica, guys. You can just put it. Let me tell you guys, if you are a serious collector, you should have this in your collection, and this is a truly commendable, awesome replica of Toyota Supra. I don't say it's a toy car, but it's just a replica of the actual car. It's just awesome. You see this glass over here and this front glass, they are so detailed that you can't say, like, you can say it's like a actual car in your hand with a miniature thing. So it's too good. And the final verdict, it's like, see how it rolls. Although it's not for rolling, but let's see. Yeah, it rolls pretty good. Although the tires are pretty slim, if you see, like, they are very slim tires. And although like we know Tomica known for its suspension, this car doesn't come with the suspension and all. It doesn't have any suspension. The pop-up headlights and openable doors, that's all they have given to this car, and that's all required, I think so. The suspension they have not given. When I see you and show you, it's not, they don't have it in this car. That's all, guys, for our iconic car. I'll just close it with opening all the parts of it and I'll show you. A 360 look for the last time, and I'll just close this video. Okay, stay subscribed and we'll meet in next video. Bye bye.